Hi, kids! Let's explore the ABCs with Animal Kingdom. Here we go. A for alligator. B for beaver. C for capybara. D for dolphin. E for emu. F for fennec fox. G for gecko. H for hamster. I for impala. J for jaguar. K for koala. L for lion. M for meerkat. N for narwhal. O for otter. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for whale. X for X-ray fish. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.